like a hash brown.
Okay, that'll be $6,000. Watch this, abracadabra.
Whoa, how did it become a big one?
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview. Hi, today we're gonna play with McDonald toys. We're eating Cookie Monster and Mickey Mouse.
Ooh, they're right over there. They're waiting for their food.
And look, Cookie Monster loves cookies.
Oh yeah. So we got this awesome McDonald cash register. Ooh, and we're gonna try to feed them. Let's see what they want.
Mickey Mouse, what would you like to eat today?
Let's see. There's so many food on the breakfast menu. I would like a hash brown and some pancakes. So Mickey Mouse wants hash browns and pancakes.
That will be $185.
Okay, here you go. I got my McDonald credit card.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have to prepare hash browns and pancakes. Can we find the hash browns?
Found it.
Where? Oh yeah, hash browns. That's where we found the pancakes. There we go, and hash browns. There we go. Oh wait, I forgot something. Can I please have some milk? Do you have some milk?
Milk coming right out. That will be $1.
Here you go.
Thank you. I put milk in this already. Here's your breakfast, Mickey Mouse. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you, Ryan. And what about me? Is it lunchtime yet? And I would also like a cookie.
Okay, breakfast is over now. Lunchtime.
Ooh, lunch menu. Okay, Mr. Ryan, I'm super hungry. I want lots of things. I want a cheeseburger, some French fries, some chicken nuggets, and some ice cream, please.
That will be $7.41.
Okay, here's the credit card for $7.41.
Thank you.
Here's some cheeseburger. Ooh, some cheese. Ooh, some lettuce. That's good, yeah.
What is this?
Look like a goldfish. That's funny. Oh no, this is not a chicken burger. There we go. There we go. All right, so we got a cheeseburger ready. Now we gotta put in French fries. Okay, now some chicken nuggets.
Here's some vanilla ice cream.
Ooh, it's strawberry.
And a special cookie surprise for Cookie Monster when he's all done.
Ooh, nice.
Cookie Monster, your food coming right up.
Ooh, some yummy food there, Cookie Monster.
Mickey's still eating.
Mickey, you're still eating over there? It's already lunchtime. You still eating your breakfast food? All right, Cookie Monster, let's eat.
I want to eat this cheeseburger.
It's a big cheeseburger. Can you eat all that? Oh. Cookie's too big.
I think you can.
Let's try the nugget. Let's see. Oh, it went away. Where'd it go?
It pooped out.
Pooped out? From where? Oh, yeah.
Let's eat some French fries.
Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Eating ice cream.
to the road.
Okay, Ryan, I would like some McDonald Happy Meal, please.
Okay, that'll be $6,000.
Whoa, this better be some good McDonald food. Here you go, $6,000 for McDonald Happy Meal.
Don't look, I put a special surprise toy inside for you.
Okay. Thank you. Ooh, McDonald Happy Meal. Ooh, there's so many McDonald's. Well, I got a McFlurry. What else did we get here? A phone? Phone? French fries? Who's calling?
McGopo Gaga.
What is a McGopo Gaga? Ooh, we got bagels.
Hi, Miss Neon Mojo.
What are you talking about?
Watch this, abracadabra.
Whoa! How did it become a big one? Oh, what's inside? Oh, we got trolls. Aww, Tro toy.
It's just a troll head.
Tro head toy.
It has a pencil.
Yeah, okay, let's open this and then, what? How does it become real food? And then, real nuggets? Ooh. It was fake? No, it's real. That's awesome, Ryan. A tro head.
Huh.
Wow. Wow.
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview. Hi everybody. Today we're going to do the French fry maker. And last time we did the hamburger maker. Now we're going to do the French fry maker.
That's right. French fry snack maker. Ooh. And it is no cooking, easy to make, and easy to clean.
This is easy because all you need is bread, sugar, and cinnamon.
That's right, just 3 ingredients.
We have to do it a lot of times. Whoa! Not a lot of stuff.
Yeah, this looks simple and easy. Let's see.
Let's see what the front of this is.
Ooh.
Oh, there's something.
Instruction, coupons.
Yeah, I think you get this coupon when it's in here.
Oh. Ooh, and here's the base. All right, let's put all this together.
I think this is for French fries, and this is for pepper.
Or salt. Or probably cinnamon. I think that's for cinnamon. We'll see.
Here's everything put together, and first we're gonna put some cinnamon inside this sugaring cup, even though it's sugar.
It's supposed to be a salt shaker, but the instruction says we need cinnamon. That's right. Dump it in.
Dump it like a dump truck.
That's right.
Now we can have some cinnamon salt. So we forgot the sugar. One more?
Yeah, one more is good.
It's not covering the other side. So.
Ooh, good thing we have a tray there.
Now let's mix it together. Ah. Next, let's press this down on the bread.
Nice. Oh, awesome.
Awesome sauce.
Is it yummy bread?
Let's make another one. bread in the French fry maker.
Wow.
I have 2 eyeballs.
Yeah, bread eyes. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, is it gonna work?
Are we gonna eat it though?
Wow, wow, that's cool. It's like French fry bread. Ryan's already eating. There you go.
That's all. I think that's all.
Oh yeah. Now we just have to put that into here. Yeah, there you go.
And after this, let's make Daddy eat it.
Yeah. Cool.
Let's make another one. Boom. Ah, this is so. Ah,
That's awesome. Woo.
that's all. Yeah. I like French fries.
Cool. It does look like French fries.
Now let's sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on the French fry. Ah!
Keep falling. There you go.
Oh, they're a bit brown.
Yeah, from the cinnamon. That's right.
Ah.
Yeah. Nice.
Hello, Cookie Monster.
Hey there, Ryan. Do you have some yummy food for me today?
Yeah,
Oh, what?
French fries.
French fries?
I'm gonna make you eat it from your butt.
What? What do you mean from my butt? No, that's not where I eat food, Ryan. Ooh, the whole thing? You don't want to feed me slowly?
Okay, kids, watch from the butt.
Okay, I'm watching. Ah, it's nothing still. Oh, it just bounced out. You don't like the French fries? Maybe he doesn't like it. He's like, what about some real French fries? Oh, it's gone. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Ah, there it is. It came out from the back. Oh, a lot at the same time. Oh, I hope you have a milkshake for me after this.
Ah, there's no milkshake.
No milkshake. Oh. Ah, the whole thing? Whoa. That's funny. Oh, and then you're gonna put it back on the tray? Nobody wants to eat it after he pooped. Oh, but he just ate those. You're gonna feed it back to him? Ryan!
I have an idea.
What? Oh. Oh, that's big, Cookie Monster. Can you handle that? That's a big bite. Whoa, still stuffing it in? Ooh, that's a lot of French fry, Cookie Monster.
Kids, go at the back.
Okay, I'm looking. Let's see. Nope. It's too much, maybe. Oh, it's coming. One French fry is coming. Oh, it's coming a lot now. Oh, there we go. Whoa.
There's one more stuck in his mouth.
Oh, really?
It's chopped up.
Oh, that's fun.
A cheeseburger.
It's done? Ooh, I want some.
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview.
Hey, Ryan.
Hi.
I want some McDonald hamburger today.
Okay, that'll be $1.85.
Okay. Here you go. Here's my McDonald credit card.
One hamburger coming right up. All I need
Yeah, I can't wait.
is the hamburger button. Ping.
Oh, what about me? I want some hamburger too today.
Okay, hamburger. And there'll be 41.
Here you go, 41.
Here's your change back.
Oh, change back? What is this? Let me see. $0 change back? What is this?
Okay, we're gonna make some hamburger for Cookie Monster and Mr. Shark.
Yeah, can't wait.
Okay, we have a McDonald hamburger snack maker.
Yes, it is super old. It's a classic version.
Open it.
Yeah, let's open it.
Let's see what the parts are. Whoa, I see some parts already. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, some mustard and ketchup. This looks quite easy to build. There's four stuff. Wow.
Yeah. Oh. And what is that?
Oh, I think this is the spinner to make the French fry ingredient. Here's everything that's included. I'm gonna tell my dad to build it for me. Here's what the hamburger maker looks like put together. And it also comes with some powder, but it's super old. So we got some ourselves.
That's right. We got a new one. The other one expired in 1996. So
What?
Yeah, super long time ago. We can't use it.
Here's all the things we need to make some yummy hamburgers.
Yeah. Whoa.
It's like a giant tower.
Oh, don't fall.
Actually, make it taller.
Oh no.
Maybe.
Ah! Okay. Let's just get started.
First, let's fill our ketchup and mustard with icing. Let's take this out. Since our frosting is white, we're going to use red food coloring and yellow food coloring. Let's do red first.
That's right, we're gonna use red to make ketchup. And our yellow for mustard.
Next, we got to stir it together. Stir, stir, stir. I'm gonna stir this one first because this one didn't last. Oh, it looks like yellow stuff is going around everywhere. What? Let's press it a little bit.
Yeah, it's spilling.
Ah! Okay, this is our hamburger bun. Ah, crack one. Next, we need to place peanut butter on this side. Get some peanut butter.
There you go.
Oh, that's fine.
All right, so there's our peanut butter.
Now let's do next spoon of 1 chocolate powder. Just one?
Yeah, that's too much, Ryan. There you go.
And this little hole right in here. Okay, looks good right now. Let's see what it tastes like. Ah!
Does it taste like chocolate?
Turn, turn, turn. Whoa! Now I cannot even see the butter. Next, we need 2 scoops of brown cereal. That's enough. Now we need more. Oh, it's getting crunched up. Just like someone's eating it. Second scoop. Now it's time to mix it 20 times.
Okay, 20 times.
1, 2, 19, 20. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of water. Be careful not to spill. That's fine. I think it's ready. Okay, let's go make the meat. The chicken is coming.
We got some meat going. Ooh.
Wow. Like a giant food monster.
Okay, is it gonna become meat? Hamburger meat? In the back, there's a hamburger sizzle sound. We gotta turn it on.
Oh, I think it's ready. That was pretty fast. Oh!
Whoa.
It looks real.
Yeah, it does.
How do we take it off?
Oh, use a spatula, I guess. Nice.
Let's spray out for some ketchup. Ketchup. And some mustard.
Ooh.
Ah!
You okay? Here you go.
Next we're gonna use red for tomato. Ooh, it looks good. Let's put it on the red spot and the orange spot. Green for lettuce. Tomato.
Lettuce.
Or green beans.
Or green beans.
Yellow for cheese. I'm eating a little bit of it.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. A cheeseburger. A cheeseburger. Another bun. Getting another bun. For order done.
Oh, nice.
Our cheeseburger is done. It's slanted too. Do this, and then we can wrap it like this. Let's go tell the Sharks and Cookie Monster it's done.
It's done? Ooh, I want some.
Okay, you both have to share if we only made one.
Okay.
I hope he doesn't eat the whole thing. Cookie Monster, don't eat the whole thing, okay?
Yuck. Yuck, can you share with me? Oh.
He didn't even share.
Hey, what about mine? Cookie Monster, where'd it go? Oh. Oh, it fell out.
He just pooped it out.
It's okay, I still want to eat it. Oh. I finished it. That was some good McDonald food. Thank
where's
you.
Another one?
Huh?
Where's another one? Okay, we made another one for you, Cookie Monster. Oh, thank you. And after Cookie Monster poop it out, we're gonna give it to Daddy. Poop it out right here.
Oh.
Let's give it to Daddy.
Okay.
Let's go. He's gonna be like, ugh. Spit it out. Daddy, what do you want from McDonald's?
I want cheeseburger.
Oh, that's what we made.
Oh, you made cheeseburger? Ooh, thank you. Let's see. Ooh, This is cheeseburger? Ooh.
It got a little messed up though.
Looks yummy. What's the cheese?
It's inside.
It's inside?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's overflowing, Ryan.
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna do the McDonald's shake maker.
Yeah, so we got a very, very old vintage McDonald Happy Meal Magic Shake Maker, and we're gonna try to make some ourselves.
Which shake is better? The one that I got from McDonald's today or the one I'm gonna make at home?
Which one do you think?
This is pretty good.
That's pretty good.
It's super easy. All you need is milk and pudding.
That's right. And we got two flavors here, vanilla and chocolate.
Hey, does anyone want a McDonald's shake?
Ooh. Did I hear McDonald's shake?
Mickey Mouse, what shake do you want? Chocolate or vanilla?
Ooh, they both look pretty yummy. Which one should I pick?
Or you can take both.
Oh, ooh, both? That's a good idea. Yeah, how about we make both? It's a vanilla and chocolate milkshake. I'm excited.
A vanilla chocolate punch.
Punch.
Mickey Mouse, that would be $6.
Oh, $6. That's a little bit expensive. It better be good. Okay, Ryan, here's my credit card and some money.
Okay.
Ooh, I get some change back. Thank you.
Here's your credit card back.
Thank you.
One shake coming right up. Oh, it's already looking like a shake. Oh. There. Next, let's add vanilla pudding. And he ordered 2, so we're gonna do chocolate too. Here comes the chocolate. Oh. Now let's mix it together. I'm doing it super slow because it said if you do it fast, it'll spill.
Yeah. But I think you can do it a little bit faster. It says don't do it too fast.
See the chocolate and the vanilla.
Yeah, they're mixing together.
It's covering the whole glass. It looks like a wheel, like a chocolate wheel.
Right.
Chocolate wheel. It looks like a tornado.
It looks like a tornado. Ryan, is it almost done yet? I'm getting hungry.
Very, very close. I think it's ready.
It's ready?
Oh no. Oh no.
It's overflowing, Ryan.
That was a big mess, but good thing we cleaned it up.
Yeah, it looks good.
Super old. This toy comes with a straw dispenser. Okay. And I also have a Happy Meal for Mickey Mouse. Okay, Mickey Mouse. Whoa.
You okay? Ooh, the shake looks delicious, Ryan. Ooh, that's yummy. Ooh, and some French fries. Yeah, I love French fries. What else is in there? Is that my favorite? A McDonald cheeseburger?
A melting cheeseburger. A melting burger.
Thank you. Is that it? Is there anything more? What? A Lightning McQueen Disney car egg surprise?
I wonder which one we got.
Yeah, Yeah, I know. Let's see.
Ooh, yummy chocolate. Oh, it feels so sticky.
Yeah.
I think the only way to get in is my mouth.
Ooh. Ryan, you can eat a chocolate for me. All I want is a surprise toys.
Okay. Let's see what you got. I'm hoping you get lightning McQueen. I see something red. Oh, it's a green card. Do you know who it is?
Oh, I don't know. And it also comes with stickers for us to put on.
It is not Joe.
Ryan, that was some yummy milkshake. Can you make me another one?
Oh, special shake.
Ooh, a special shake? I can't wait.
Mickey Mouse special milkshake coming right up. I got some goldfish, Oreos, whipped cream, and chocolate
Ooh.
to make a special milkshake. Okay, play. We don't have a smasher, but we're gonna use this to crush the Oreo.
Garlic presser.
Cream. I wonder if I'm stronger than Oreos.
Is it gonna work?
See what it looks like. Ah! A lot of pieces. It's hard. It's gonna be like chocolate. The top is definitely gonna be Oreos. Now let's press some goldfish. We're gonna do it the other side. Ah! Some goldfish right here. Smash! Goldfish up.
Nice.
We got some goldfish crumble. Let me turn this to this side. And Oreo crumble. See, maxa. See, maxa. Let's eat a maxa. Let's eat a maxa. Let's eat a maxa. Is my milkshake ready? I think it's ready. I'm gonna have Mommy assistant help me this time.
Okay, hopefully Mommy doesn't spill either.
Hopefully.
What? What happened? It got stuck?
Maybe it's too chunky.
It's too chunky?
Only one little dot.
Ah!
Oh no, too much. Oh no.
Oh no.
Overflow!
Oh no, Ryan! What do I do? What is it?
Happy! Well, it smells like real chocolate. Now we're gonna do Hershey's syrup, which means chocolate. Hope we don't do too much. Whoa, it's just sinking. Look, you can't even see the chocolate.
Yeah, I went down.
Here's my favorite cookie.
It's good.
I hope we don't do too much whipped cream. Or maybe it's gonna stick. Got some Mickey Mouse whipped cream ice cream.
Yeah.
Baby.
Hey, that's Mickey Mouse. Ooh, thank you, Ryan. Hey, that's his nose. Wait a minute. Something's different about this milkshake.
What?
Ryan, did
What?
you add some marshmallow in there?
No.
Is it potato chips?
No.
Is it mashed potato?
No.
What is it then? It tastes pretty yummy though. I like it. What's your secret ingredient?
My secret ingredient is whipped cream, chocolate,
Oh.
goldfish, and Oreo.
Oreo, yeah.
Thank you for joining me in making this McDonald shake. Bye.
Hi everybody.
Don't forget to subscribe.
That's right.
Hey, let's play hide and seek.
Well, hide and seek. I still see you, Ryan. Where's Ryan? Where's Ryan though? Where's Ryan? I don't see Ryan. Where's Ryan? Are you hiding? Are you hiding, mister? Are you hiding?
Please click on one of these videos for Ryan ToysReview more fun.